going to show you how to add Google Documents to a Schoology assignment. There are a couple of different types of assignments that you can create within Schoology, and one of them is strictly a Google assignment. However, this video is going to show you how to add Google Documents to your Schoology assignment. So under Add Materials, you can go to Add Assignment. You'll fill it out with your assignment name. Here's where you give your instructions. You're able to embed links and some different videos, all different types of things that you can do here that are covered in other videos. Now, what we're going to focus on is this Google Drive assignments. In order for this to work, you need to have already linked your Google Drive to Schoology, which is covered in a different video. So if you have already done that, you can go ahead and click on Google Drive Assignments. It's going to pull up your Google Drive, the documents that are in your Google Drive. It is not organized very nicely, so the best way to do it is go up to Search. And you'll get all of the different things that you have here. You'll notice that I have different assignments from different students. And so if I'm not sure exactly which one it is that I want, I can click on View, and it's going to give me a preview of what I want. So this is what I want to attach. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and I'm going to click on Attach. You'll notice now it has the Google Drive assignment here, and it says that it's going to create a copy of this file for each student. I'm going to go on and continue filling out the rest of this assignment. And then I have all of my options down at the bottom here as well, whether I want to individually assign, make sure I want to publish, all of that. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on Create. Here's my assignment. As students start to access this, there are two ways that I will get these documents. I will have a Google Drive folder that is created for this assignment within my Schoology folder. I will also have it turned in as students are turning in their assignments. I will have my submissions will start to populate as students start to do that. So that is how you connect a Google Drive assignment to a Schoology assignment.